Freebuff is the free coding agent. No subscription, no configuration, and you can start in seconds. Just run npm install-g Freebuff in your terminal, and you're ready. It uses fast free-tier models like DeepSeek v4 Flash and Kimi K2.6, so you never have to worry about hitting a paywall. Freebuff comes with 9 specialized subagents built in. File Picker finds relevant files across your codebase. Code Reviewer gives critical feedback on your changes. Browser Use lets the AI control a real browser to test your app. And a Thinker agent connects to your ChatGPT subscription for deep reasoning. The user interface is simple. No modes, no config files, just works. After every response, it generates 3 clickable follow-up suggestions so you always know what to do next. For big tasks, use the /command workflow, interview, plan, implement, review. Freebuff has 5,500 stars on GitHub and over 6,700 commits. It's made by CodebuffAI, the same team behind the premium Codebuff product. The live map shows nearly 400 active users right now, spread across India, the UK, the United States, and France. To get started, run npm install-g Freebuff and type Freebuff in your project directory. It's free, it's open source, and it just works. Visit freebuff.com to learn more.